Hello friends, welcome to Online Fashion Design. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to be doing fishbone stitch. In fishbone stitch, I have made a shape of petal. Now, I have made two petals. One, I'll be doing a simple fishbone and there is a second variant as well. So I will show you two types of fishbone stitch. So let's begin. Now, for doing this stitch, I have taken three strands of anchor thread. Now, you can lock your thread. Also friends, to do this, you can make a center line. Okay, after drawing the center line and locking the thread, first we will take a simple standing stitch. Alright, after this, we will take the needle out on the left side. Here, on the left side of the standing line. After this, we will take the needle on the right side of the standing line. Okay, here on the right side of the standing line, very close to the standing line. Now I will take the needle on the right side. Right side, take it on the petal line. And now I will take the needle on the left side of the standing line, a little below of the standing line on the left side. Okay, and pull the thread. So basically it's a crisscross. First I took a standing line, then from left to right, and now from right to left. Once again, now we will do left, take the needle out and take it on the right side. Now again we will put the needle on the right side a little below. Now I'll put the needle on the right side. On the right side, and now I'll put it on the left side. Each time when I'm putting the needle, I'm putting it a little down than the previous one. So basically there is a crisscross happening. It's a V shape overlapping each other. We are making a V shape and we are filling this petal. Once again I'll explain you friends. After the standing line, remove the needle out on the left side and then put it on the right side of the standing line. And now put the needle on the right side of the petal and put it on the left side of the center line. Now we can also put the needle simultaneously. We can put it in and then on the right side we can put it out. See, I will put the needle out. Here on the right side I'll put the needle in and then on the right side again I will remove it simultaneously to do faster work. Now friends, again this is the last stitch of this one. From left I'm putting it on the right, and then remove the needle on the right side, and then put it on the left side, and you lock the thread. Okay friends, this is how is the fishbone stitch. If you see, because we had made a center line and we maintained the center line, we were putting the stitch just next to the center line on the left and the right stitch. There is a center line formed of the thread as well. Now friends, I also want to show you, if you put the stitch on the line, outline, then it is like this. However, if you don't put the stitch on the line, I have purposely made a bit of over here, I have not put on the line to show you how it looks if you don't put it on the line. Okay, so friends, you have to put it on the line, so there is a nice clear shape formed. If you don't put it on the line, then there is a bit of left and right here, okay, and that does not look nice. Now friends, we will move on to the next one, that is the variant of fishbone stitch. To do that, I have locked my thread, and now I will do a standing line. You don't need to make a center line for this. Just take one standing line, and now take the needle out on the left side of the standing line and put it on the right side of the, on the same height on the right side of the petal, and pull the thread out. Now put the needle out on the left side and put it on the right side of the petal. What we have done, first we took a standing line and then remove the needle on the left side, put it on the right side, then from left side, right side. It's a bit confusing. If you, I think I can draw it on a board and show you. This is my petal. First make a standing line, and then this is my first stitch, standing line, and then from left I will put right on the right side. This is the second stitch, and then from here, okay, the third stitch. From here I will put it here. Okay, now again then we will keep repeating the second and third stitch. The first stitch was only at the start, the standing line, then the second stitch, and then third stitch, second stitch again, and then third stitch, second stitch, third stitch. We will keep repeating like this. Now let's see how we do it on the cloth. After the standing line, I have already put from left to right, and now from left to right here on the right side. Now once again we will do it. Remove the needle out on the left side, put it on the right. And now remove the needle out on the left side and put it on the right side. Now friends, you can simultaneously put the needle in and out now. I'll put it on the right side now, and then remove the needle on the left side and put it on the right side. Alright friends, I'm almost to finish this. I'm on the left side of the petal. I'll put the needle on the right side and again come on the left side and put it on the right. And at the end of the stitch you can lock the thread. Keep your work neat so your embroidery looks neat and tidy. Now friends, look at the first and the second stitch. See, in the first stitch there's a center line formed and there's no overlapping. However, in the second one there's a overlapping. There's a line formed, however it is an overlapped line formed, and this is more it's more puffiness is there compared to this one. There's more puffiness in this one, so this gives more 3D look. Now friends, please tell me in the comments which one do you like the most, which one do you prefer, and how you use these embroideries, in what type of designs you use it. I'm also going to show you how you can use this in your different designs and different type of clothes or different ways you can use it. Before that, I will show you how I use these petals in a design. See friends, isn't it lovely? I have made lotus and I have used the first type of stitch in the petals, and just for your reference I have used a second type in the leaf. And friends, this is my stem stitch. You can see the stem stitch in my previous videos. You can refer that. You can see the link in the description below for the stem stitch. So this is my first type and the second type for the leaves. Alright, now you can also see I have used this embroidery in kurta. Isn't it beautiful? You can use it in a repetition and it looks amazing. So it is in kurta. Now the second, it is in bag. Your design, you can use it in a mirror effect and that looks lovely again. You can also use it in a wall hanging. You can show your creativity in your wall hanging, and without saying, your guests, your friends would love and come to know about your artwork. Isn't that amazing? So that's it friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please share in the comments how you liked the stitch. Do not forget to follow our pages on Facebook and Instagram. You can find the link in the description below. See you guys in the next video. Till then, keep stitching, keep creating. Bye bye.